Welcome back. Today is day 9, and today's challenge in our 21-day practice challenge is to use the metronome. Okay, so the thing is, I know some people use the metronome for like scales and stuff like that. That's all great. But there's some pieces where people are like, yeah, this is a romantic piece. I don't really need to use the metronome. It's too straitjacket. Right, but I'm gonna challenge you to play a piece of music with the metronome. That's right, and I've done that many times, not just for certain passages, which, a lot of times we practice certain difficult technical passages with a metronome, but I want you to play an entire piece with the metronome. You can really learn so much because you can really be more conscious in terms of how you create timing, and also sometimes you don't even know that you're totally uneven and that your tempo is crazy fluctuating. I just want to make sure that when you do differences in tempo and sometimes getting, when you do rubato, it's with an intent, that it's not by accident that you happen to get faster here or there. So just to show you what I do, I'm going to practice a little bit of the high D major concerto with the metronome right here. And what's great right now these days is that you can have the metronome right on your phone and you don't have to go out. I used to have one of those that goes doop, 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 right? So let's go ahead and practice a little bit. And the other thing is you can use this to practice certain things a little bit slower. So this one, high D. It feels great. Etc. You get the idea. Okay, so show me what you got. Show me practicing with the metronome on Instagram. Of course, I'm on Cellist Wendy Law, and use hashtag and tag me. Okay, so I want to see you guys, and I will definitely share it with the world as well. We're going to keep each other accountable. I will be practicing with the metronome on Instagram Live today as well. So this is really, really fun to do this together. And of course, you can always take some private lessons with me. I have different lessons for people with different budget because I know this is a difficult time right now. So don't forget to subscribe right now, and I'll see you tomorrow for another challenge, practice challenge. This is fun. Bye!